Hey guys! In this video I will be doing a quick tutorial on how to do a wood grain on a tumbler, or it could be used on anything really. So if you want to see how I did this one, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so we are going to be making a wood grain tumbler. I've already made a wood grain tumbler before, but this one's going to be a little bit different than the one that I made last time. I'll show you guys the colors that I'm going to be using. So I only have actually the same colors that I used in my last one. I only have 3 brown colors, so we're just going to have to work with them. So there's that latte one, and then this caramel one, or caramel, whatever you want to call it. And this one, which is ginger. On this one, my customer wants the colors a little bit darker than what my last wood grain tumbler was. These aren't the darkest colors, and yeah. So I'm also going to be using this black, and then I'm going to be using a little like bottle here that I used to mix kind of all the colors. I put it like 1 drop of black into here and then put a whole bunch of brown in here. So we're gonna see how dark that is. Hopefully it's not like super dark, but it's like dark enough to give us like some dark color. So I have a brush that's like this, and I got kind of one that's a little bit smaller there for more precise things. I think all you really do is, for this one anyway, you take whatever color you want to use first, probably a light one first just to see how it goes, and then you kind of drip it on there, or not drip it, but kind of make a line like that. Woo, we're dripping all over the place. Okay, and then you just start doing this. Ooh, wow, I hope this doesn't get all over my shirt. I should probably change my shirt to something I don't care about. But you keep doing this with a brush that's like this, and that's why I picked a brush like this, because you want those lines to show up until it's dry. And then once it's dry, then you move on to the next color. Alright, changed my shirt to my painting shirt, because this does splash on you, or it kind of kicks back when you go back this way, so I don't want it to get on my shirt. That's like important. Let's see how this one looks. Hey, that's a lot too. That looks pretty good. I think I might even need a darker color than that. I might have to mix some more, but that one looks pretty good though. I like that one. But the good thing about these colors is you can like just go over with another color if you don't like how it looked. Okay, well I'm gonna mix up another color here real quick. Something a little bit darker. I'm gonna put 2 drops into this then. Yeah, that's darker for sure. Alright, let's put just a tiny bit of that on here, just to see how that looks. Looks pretty good, I like that one. So these darker colors might be the colors, the ones that I mixed are going to be the colors that I'm actually going to go with here. Because they're wanting it pretty dark. So we're going to do that. Kind of going back and forth with these, like, because I want a variety. I don't want it all one color. Just because I think that would look good if it's not just one color here. this is how it's looking so far. At least that part, I haven't done that yet. Now we're going to go back over places and give it more character and stuff. I'm kind of thinking I might have to mix another color that's a tiny bit darker. But right now I'm just going to kind of go into random places, do a little bit more to it where it's like kind of like needs some little something, you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna go somewhere random. Whoa, coming out a little too fast there. Woo, chill your bros. Woo! That is not exactly what I wanted to happen. But, I mean, it works, I guess. Okay, well, we're just gonna roll with it here. Alright guys, that was it. That was me making this wood grain tumbler. I do hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions or anything you guys want me to do a tutorial on, or anything you want me to make, leave them down below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I do hope to see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye!